Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's a beautiful morning. So today I'm going to introduce two new species to the pond. One is called a Triop, or dinosaur shrimp, also called tadpole shrimp, and the other is a fairy shrimp. Let's take a look at the packaging they come in. This is the packaging for the fairy shrimp, as you can see. Comes with little capsules. You just pop them open and pour them in the water. This is our Triops. And they grow fairly quick, as you can see by the instructions. These are sold as educational items for children. Well, let's get them in the water. They are full to the brim with eggs too. I'm putting them on the shallower end because they like shallow water for the most part. May just be food for the water bugs, we'll see. So inside this little kit, it comes with food for the Triops, if you're going to do it in an aquarium. The Triop eggs are mixed in with sand. Also comes with some little limestone that you're supposed to add if you're doing it in an aquarium setting. I think I'm going to get a stick and try to agitate the water, make some of these eggs settle to the bottom more. Well, we'll see how the fairy shrimp and Triop fare here in the ecosystem of the pond. They really like temporary water bodies, so it'll be interesting to see, what they do. I'll be back in May. Maybe we'll see some in there. If you're interested in purchasing through Amazon, I will put a link in the description. Every little bit does help the channel out financially, and is appreciated. If you like what I'm doing out here at the ranch and you want to help speed this project up, there's a few ways to do that in the description as well. Buy Me a Coffee is one. There's also Amazon. Every little bit gets me closer to being out here full time, making this project go a lot faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.